What's going on, people? All I wanted to do is, quick intro, quick little thank you, let's say, to all of you that have been tapping in with us this week, last couple of weeks, killing it in the markets. I know how difficult it can be. As someone who's been doing this, I've been in this journey for like almost 7 years now. It's actually crazy. First time I actually looked at anything stock related was summer 2016. This guy was looking at Forex. Obviously I didn't dive in back then, but a year or two later I was in the markets. And like I said, all I want to say is just thank you guys to those of you who've been joining us on the journey recently. You guys know how valuable it is to invest in yourselves, push for more, strive for greatness. So like I said, I'm just happy that you guys have been tapping in. More success to you guys. Last couple of weeks has really been hot. We finished August the way we should finish August, and it's the same way we want to go into September. So the plan for August was to kill it, and obviously that's what we did. So honestly, it was great because it didn't matter where I was. You guys saw me traveling a little bit here and there. It didn't matter where I was. We made it happen. We made it work. And thank you for those of you who've been patient, especially the ones who reach out and they ask me, what does it mean to get this? What does it mean if you're doing this? Stop loss, call, put, all that stuff. I understand it's difficult when you're new. So thank you for just having patience and just waiting it out while I get back to you. But like I said, I'm impressed with what we did this month of August. We killed it. We destroyed the markets. Now the aim is to continue doing that in September. If you're new to the markets, you won't understand that, when you have a month like this, it ain't just regular. It's not going to happen every single month. There's going to be months where you struggle a little bit, So it's all about the consistency, all about just making sure you get it right in this market and keep getting it right. That's the main thing. So yeah, that's where we are right now. Once again, if you're not in the Discord, make sure you come tap in, join us. You guys know where it's at. The link is in the description below. And for those of you who have been buying the stock option starter pack recently, thank you for all the questions as well. I'm happy you guys are taking the time to learn, taking the time to invest in yourselves. That option pack is with you for life, and it's going to continue teaching you. There are people who have been in the game 3-4 years, they still go back to it now. So like I said, if you haven't got the option pack, go grab it. If you're in the Discord and you don't know about the option pack, just write it in the chat, just ask what I'm referring to. We'll put you on. But the final thing I want to say is September is notably bearish. I'll say notoriously bearish, to be honest. The good thing is we know how to trade this market, right? We trade any market. We make money in any market. Calls, puts, to the upside, downside. Even when things are consolidating, we know how to make the money. So be patient, manage your risk, be careful with your capital, know what you're doing, understand what you're doing, and have a plan. I always say have a plan. That's one of the most important things you can do. Have a plan in this market, and then obviously execute. Obviously it's good to have a plan, but if you have a plan and you don't execute, just guess what? You're not going to succeed in the market. You're not going to make money. You're not going to come out with W's, with wins. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to tell you guys. I'm so grateful for what we did in August. Now the aim is to continue that into September. We're expecting a rate cut, interest rate cuts in September. So how are you going to handle that? Well, you guys know we're going to talk about that in Discord. We're going to keep doing our live sessions, our little study sessions, posting news articles, keeping each other updated. That's one thing I love about the Discord. You guys keep it real in there. There's a lot of different opinions, strategies, all that kind of stuff. We look at different stocks, we trade different styles, but we always keep it real with ourselves. We always just tell the truth. We're transparent, which is what I love, which is what I like, and that helps us be more educated, understand stocks and the market on a higher level. That helps us in so many ways. So again, thank you guys. I can't thank you guys enough. But onwards and upwards, we're going into September. So let's get this money. If you haven't already liked, drop a thumbs up. You guys know what the deal is. You guys know how to drop a good thumbs up, like a nice thumbs up, like a proper thumbs up. You know what I mean? Obviously, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. We've got plenty more videos like this. And if you want to share with your friends, family, girlfriend, mum, dad, sister, brother, uncle, grandpa, just share, and comment, of course, as always. But that's it from me, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. I got me to making, you got me to making. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.